Hey, you made it! It's Mike here from Remax Masters. Thanks so much for checking out this home selling ebook on prime tips, how to get your home primed ready to list. Nowadays, there's a 3-second rule, and it's really about first impressions and how those can last and how those you can, get your buyer to keep coming back at home. And it's all about preparation. It's all about getting your home prepared to list, because a lot of people just want to list their home quickly. And there's not much preparation that goes into listing the home. And if you do the preparation, you're gonna get the result. So I've just created this little ebook to help you, and it's an interactive ebook. So I just encourage you just to first watch this video in full, so you get the full idea on how it actually works, the links and all that sort of thing. So I'm going to go through it now, show you exactly what this ebook is all about, and you can go ahead and download it, and you can have a look at those links and how that can help you with your listing of your home, getting prepared to list. And it all goes back to preparing, for example, to paint a wall. So first of all, you put a layer of plaster on it, you plaster the wall, and then you've got to prepare the wall. You've got to sand it, if there's any fine cracks, you've got to fill those cracks, you've got to sand them really well, and you've got to get everything prepared. Then you've got to put the plaster key on, or some sort of plaster preparation done, and then you've got to put priming paint on, then you've got to put final paint on. It all takes preparation, and all it takes having the knowledge on how that all works. And so I really encourage you to think about preparing your home to list. And this ebook will help you look at a couple of different factors as to what can help to really get your home ready to sell. Because that first impression does last, and that first impression is going to be the biggest thing that's going to get your home buyers coming back and having a second visit or something like that. And so without further ado, I'm going to go into the whole ebook. So if you click on the download, it looks a bit like this. Then you can go through it, all the 19 different tips, and you'll see there's an interactive link. So there's a blue link like that with a little click mark, and if you click on that, that'll open up a separate link specifically to that tip. So if we're discussing home comparisons, I'll show you down here, property comparison sheet. If you click on that, you can actually get the sheet. You can get the Excel sheet. So if you click on that, you'll get a sheet that looks a bit like this, and then you can change the sheet as best you require. So you can add a column if you want something added extra, but it's just a bit of it's just saving you time really. So it's getting it, you can change at your your discretion. You can add something, or you can take something away. You can make it fit you. This helps you, and that's what it's all about. It's an interactive ebook. So there's a couple of things in here, make things a bit easier for you, and just give you a couple of ideas. And you've got these links all the way through, which will help you really take it to the next level when it comes to listing your home and being prepared to list. If you look down below, I've got all the links there. So the quick links are all there. I really encourage you to actually watch this video. First of all, you understand how it works, and secondly, actually read specifically about each link. It's no good going to the links, because you won't know what it's all about unless you actually read the ebook on that specific part of the link. And I've actually put the page numbers in there so you can have a look at that. And if you want to contact us, myself or Laura, want to know a bit more about us and what we do and how we can help you with a free evaluation or something like that, you can click on the links, which is the WhatsApp link straight directly to us. That'll go straight to the WhatsApp. If you click on that, and you might see it looking a bit like this. It might look a bit different, but it's all the same. You've got the links there on the right hand side, and you've got some more contact details. You can click on any of those to get directly in contact with us. And if you'd like to take it to the next level, there's also free evaluation questions. If you click on any of those buttons, that will take you to another page where it's really about answering a few questions, and you'll get a desktop evaluation done on your property. And so if you click on that, it'll take you to these questions. It'll ask you a couple of questions. It'll ask you a bit of detail as to the details of your property and how we can contact you with the evaluation. And so that'll just help you get started, how you'd value a home and what is the next step in the process. And we want to hold your hand. We want to take you step by step through this whole process, really give you a few tips on how to get the best out of listing your home. Because a lot of people don't realize is that a lot of preparation should go into before you list your home. You shouldn't just list it straight away and just hope for the best. Do a bit of preparation, do a bit of work, and you'll definitely see the results. Thank you very much, and if you can help in any other way further, contact us below. And again, just want to thank Laura for helping me with this and putting this all together. Keep well, and all the best with listing at home and getting it sold. Yes for now.